Good morning kids and welcome back to your math class. In the previous before the exams I have sent a PDF file in the group, so that today we will solve that PDF files xerox you have to take before the exams I have sent you. And today that I am going to solve. After that taking the printouts, you have to solve the worksheets in your home. This is the addition problems. 5 apples are more than 3 apples. Yes or no? 5 apples are more than 3 apples. We say that 5 is more than 3, isn't it? Or 5 is greater than 3. We can say 5 is more than 3 also, or 5 is greater than 3. We can say both, and we read it as 5 is greater than 3. We write it as 5, this is a greater symbol, and 3. 5 is greater than 3. So we can also say the 3 apples are less than 5 apples. So we read it as a 3 is less than 5, and we write it as a, this is a less than symbol. So 3 is less than 5. This symbol I will explain you. Kids, you remember that always. The crocodile. Okay, crocodile in the river. The mouth of the crocodile will be opened always to a big fish. So here in our, this you remember, whenever there will be a big number, this opened mouth will be at the bigger number, and this the small closed mouth will be at the smaller number. So this the big opened mouth will be for a big fish. So same now, this opened side will be for the big number. Now here are some examples. Here are 6 balls. 6 balls are greater than 3 balls, or 3 balls are less than 6 balls. 4 balls are less than 6 balls. Okay, now look at this. 6 is greater than 4, or 4 is less than 6. Underline the greater number in each group. Insert greater or smaller sign here. Now which is greater, 4 or 8? 8 is greater. So insert this symbol. Why? Because the opened mouth, big mouth will be for big number. Big mouth will be for big number. This much you remember the trick. It will be easily understand you. Okay, big mouth for big number. 3, 5. Which is a big number? 5. So which symbol you are going to insert? This. Why? Because big number, big mouth of the symbol. Now here same. 5, 7. Which is the bigger number, kids? 7. So underline the 7 and insert this symbol. Why? Big mouth for big number. D. 7, 8. Which is the greater number here? 8. So underline the 8 number and insert which symbol? Same symbol. Why? Because big mouth will be for big number. Now here next one. Insert big or small signs. 9, 7. Which is bigger, kids here? 9. So underline this. 9 is bigger. So insert this symbol. Why? Because bigger mouth, bigger number. 5, 6. 6. 6 is bigger. So insert this sign. Bigger number, bigger mouth. 8, 9. 9. So insert this sign. 4, 5. 5 is bigger. 3, 8. 8 is bigger. 0, 3. 3 is bigger. So this you have to insert. Who has more biscuits? Circle the animal and the number. Tom. Okay. Tom has 8 biscuits. How many biscuits this Tom has? And Jackie has 6 biscuits. Isn't it? So this circle the animal they have told. Now Tom has more biscuits, isn't it? 8 is bigger number. Circle the animal and number. Who has more biscuit, kids? Now Tom has more biscuits than Jackie. Jackie has less biscuits than Tom. So how you are going to insert here? I will explain this and then you will write the number. Jackie has 6 biscuits and Tom has 8 biscuits. So 8 biscuit is less than 6 biscuits. 8 biscuit is greater than 6. Okay, bigger number, bigger more. Or 6 here and 8 here. 8 is bigger. 6 is less than 8. 8 is more than 6. This is the number. How we will insert here. So now we will go to our next worksheet. Old MacDonald has a big farm. This old MacDonald has a big farm. On his farm he had many animals. Many animals he has in his farm. Count the blocks and say the number of animals each kind. Write the number and their number names. Okay, now this MacDonald has this hens. How many hens it has? We will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 duck. Here we will write 9. 9 ducks we will write here. N-I-N-E. Number names. Numbers you have to write in words. Then count. Now, how many cows are? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 cows. Now 7 you have to write in words. Number name. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Now how many horses are here? You have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 horse. Write here 5 and write a number name of this. F-I-V-E. 5. This is pig. How many pigs are here, kids? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 kids are pigs. Here you write 6 and write 6 in names. S-I-X 6. Count the donkeys. How many donkeys are here? 1, 2, 3. 3. Write a number name. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Count how many sheep are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write here 8. 8. Write a number name. E-I. Write a number name. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Okay, kids, now one more is there. Write the numerals in each box to show the number of animals and insert bigger or smaller signs. Now ducks. How many ducks are here, kids? 9 ducks. So write here 9. Cow. How many cows are? First we go on writing the numbers, kids. Cows. How many cows are here? 7. B. How many donkeys are here in this? In the farm of old MacDonald. How many donkeys are here? 3. Write here 3 donkeys. Ducks. How many ducks are there? 9. Now next, seat one. Horse. How many horse are there? 5. How many pigs are there? Pig. 8. Now here how many cows are there? Cows. 7 cows. And how many pigs are here, kids? Pig. 6 pigs. Now sheep. How many sheep are here? 8 sheep and donkeys. How many donkeys are here? 3 donkeys. So write here 3. Horse, horses, 5 horse, and donkeys are, how many donkeys are here kids? 3 donkeys are here. So now you have to insert the symbols. 9 is bigger than 7, so bigger side, the bigger mouth of the, that will be the for the bigger number. So 9 is greater than 7. Now here are 3 donkeys and 9 ducks. So 9 is greater than 3. So insert this. 9 is bigger number. So bigger mouth for the bigger number. So kids, now here 5 horse and 8 pigs. So now 8 is bigger than 5. So insert this symbol because this is 5 is less than or smaller than 8. Okay, 7, 6. 7 cows and 6 pigs. 7 is bigger than 6. So you write this symbol. Why? Because 7, it shows the 7 is greater than 6. Now kids, here 8 is bigger than 3. So you insert this symbol. Here 5 is bigger than 3. So you insert this symbol here. So kids, you complete the worksheet in your home, and we will meet in our next class. Till that, have a nice day. Take care kids. Bye bye.